So, imagine this, a 19-year-old kid stands alone on a burning tank, 6 German Tiger tanks and 250 infantrymen are closing in. Most men would run, most men would die. But this kid isn't most men. He's Audie Murphy, and for the next 60 minutes he's gonna rewrite the laws of war. January 26, 1945, Holtzwihr, France. Murphy's company is decimated, down to just 19 men. He orders them to retreat to the woods. He stays behind with nothing but a field phone and a broken M10 tank destroyer. The M10 is basically a ticking time bomb, loaded with fuel and ammo, already engulfed in flames. Murphy climbs on top anyway. He grabs the 50 caliber machine gun. He starts the math, 1 barrel versus 250 targets. Bullets are ricocheting off the turret. Artillery is screaming in over the radio. Murphy is calm. He's calling in strikes on his own position. The Germans are within 10 yards of his tank. He doesn't blink, he just keeps pulling the trigger. 1 hour of absolute carnage. The burning tank is vibrating under his boots. He's bleeding from a leg wound, but honestly, he doesn't feel it. He's not just a soldier anymore, he's a wall. And that wall is made of Texas grit and pure defiance. By the time the smoke cleared, 50 Germans were dead. The rest were in full retreat. He saved his entire company by becoming a one-man army. This is why he became the most decorated soldier in American history. If you think heroism like this should never be forgotten, hit subscribe. We tell these stories every week because, honestly, the world needs to remember what real courage looks like.